What's up, everyone? This is Tia Kirby, and I'm back. Remember that unboxing video I promised you? It's here! I have so many boxes that I've yet to open. I'm so bad about this sometimes, but I'm going to get better, especially now that I'm back filming. Let's pray that I stay consistent. Got my box cutter, and we'll just go ahead and get started. This is a Pixi Beauty unboxing, Years of Glow, and my deepest and sincerest apologies to Pixi Beauty that I have not unboxed this stuff sooner. So, this box is so cute. Look, I always love their packaging. They do such a great job. Years of Glow Fairy Tale. And it's summertime, so I'm here for the glow. How cute is this? It almost looks like a little bit of a treasure chest. There's a little drawer here. Inside the drawer are a blush, a lip tone, a lip gloss, mascara, and cheek gel. I'm sure the light's changing, but hopefully you can see this little bottom drawer and what's inside. I'll push that back in, and we'll open up. Oh, how pretty. See what I'm talking about? They just do the most. It looks like a book. Okay, stop. Look at this. You turn the page, and then there's stuff in there. How cute. This is the Hydrating Milky Mist. A small travel size glow tonic, but I am obsessed with their toner. And also a rose blend oil. Thank you very much, Pixi Beauty. I can't wait to utilize these items. Ooh, this is cute. Okay, so this is another box, but how cute. But this is what I'm saying. Like, they just go all out with their packaging, or PR packages. How cute. So this one almost looks like a little jewelry box. Ooh. Oh, and it's felt inside. And look, it's a huge one. Yay! And what's good is I just ran out of my other big bottle of this, so this is like right on time. And it has my name on it. So let me scoot closer. Do you see my name? Did it do it? Thank you so much, Pixi Beauty. Hey, gorgeous. I am pleased to celebrate 25 years of glow with you. As a makeup artist, I'll read all of this later, but it's just so cute, and it's a personal note on vellum paper, that is. Oh, do you hear the slam on that? That lets you know it's a quality box. So this is another one. This is from Huzzy Smart Sips. So this is from, do you remember the founder of Curls, Maisha Dillinger? She has started a new company and has pivoted like most of us are. And she created these drinks here, which are Huzzy Smart Sips. And it's for people who want to not drink alcohol but get the vibe. Stop letting alcohol fuzz up your fun, sis. Your gut and liver deserve better. Huzzy's natural nootropics, adaptogens, liver protectors, and gut health antioxidants. So it's like a healthier adult beverage without alcohol. No alcohol in it. So thank you very much to Huzzy Sips and Maisha Dillinger and her team. Let's see. Ooh, Yves Saint Laurent. I love their packages, by the way. Little YSL card. How you know, because this says Valentine's Day. I'm so sorry, Yves Saint Laurent, but I'm going to be on it now. I'm going to be better about opening my packages instead of letting them sit there. So, I got these here. I have Lash Class Mascara. If you've not ever used their mascara, I love it. I love, love, love. YSL Love Shine Collector Rouge High Shine Caring Lipstick. Oh my goodness, the packaging is everything. Even like it to the feel, it feels so nice. Let's see what this shade is. Ooh, she's cute. I like her. Very pretty. This is the Culture Mini Clutch. High intensity pigments for long wear and comfort. How cute is that? Yeah, let me get me out of the way. It comes with 2 applicators. One brush and then one sponge tip. Nice neutral colors for a beautiful eye, which we'll have to play with. And with any of these, if you guys want product reviews about anything that I'm opening today and sharing, please leave it in the comment section below and let me know. I am happy to do product reviews on any of the products that you. Thank you so much, Yves Saint Laurent. Redken, the hair care company. So this is the box, but in the inside it has Sabrina Carpenter. Oh, there is a shampoo, acidic bonding concentrates, conditioner. Sorry, this is the conditioner, shampoo, and then an acidic bonding concentrate 24/7 night and day serum, which must be what she's holding. Ooh, this one says Armani Beauty. Discover the new Vertigo Lift Mascara. Innovation from Armani Beauty delivers sculpted definition, extreme length, and clump-free for volume for 70% visibly longer lashes. That's all that's in this package is the Giorgio Armani mascara. So looking forward to trying that. Here we got another Pixi Beauty box. Pixi Beauty, y'all holding your girl down. I appreciate it. Again, their packaging is always on point for their PR boxes. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so it has a natural brow duo, and they sent me different colors. They're 2-in-1. So they sent me natural blonde, natural brown, deep brunette, and soft black. And then something personalized with my name on it. I'm assuming this is a mirror. How cute is that? I love that they always send me things with something personalized with my name on it. I just eat that up. And then these are the brow duos. So I'm interested to try these because I've been looking for something different for my brows. This is another Pixi Beauty box. You see how Pixi be riding for you, girl. I just love it. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Pixi, again. And I will do better by you by not letting these boxes sit here. So this one also opens up like a little gift box. And we'll see what's in it. This is Detox Eye Patches and then Roll-On Detox Serum for under the eye. So it's an eye serum, and I do love their eye patches always. I still use them on a daily basis. Pixi Beauty Detoxify eye patches. It is starting to rain. Oh, it's sealed, so I'm not going to open it until I'm ready to use it because I don't want them to dry out by any means. My God, it's starting to rain hard. This one is a Lancôme box. Shall we? Absolutely, we shall. Oh, okay. It's getting good. It's getting good. It's a perfume, and I'm here for it. So this is packaging. It's the Idol Power. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And then it comes with a little sample size there. Introducing new Idol. I know I'm probably butchering that, but Idol Power, fruity, woody, and floral fragrance. Fragrance for those who take charge of their destiny and write their own rules, embodied by global superstar Olivia Rodrigo. Look how cute this is, y'all. That is so cute. It's made to look like a cute little composition book. So let me put that up there a little closer. How cute. It has a little lock on it. In here, how cute. I don't know if y'all can see that, but let me do my little lock combination. And she unlocked when you open it up after I got the lock off. Open it up, and it has the cover of the perfume again. And then you open it up again, something like a book. Oh, and these are beautiful pictures of her. Some little Polaroids of Olivia Rodrigo and the perfume. Oh, this bottle is beautiful. Hold on now. Oh, look how sleek. Do y'all see how cute and sleek that is? So cute. Lancôme. Oh, that smells nice. Okay, I really do like this. Not putting on at all because I'm real picky about them, but this smells really nice. And I'm so in love with this bottle. How cute and slender that is. It's like a sweet smell, and I usually don't like sweet smells. I do have a little bit of rose in there, and I usually don't like those, but this is balanced really well. I love it already. Thank you, Lancôme. Next up, we have an IT Cosmetics package. I just love IT Cosmetics products, especially their sunscreen. Love it. Hi, Tia. We're so excited for you to try our 1 SPF foundation in America. Number 1 SPF foundation in America. Benefits of full coverage, anti-aging, SPF 50, correcting, smoothing, and hydrating and concealing. Bam. Confidence in a Cream Barrier Boost. I had this before and I really, really liked it. This one is a Sun Blush Glow with Confidence. So it's a blush, I guess that kind of gives like a little sun glow on it. And then they sent me a couple of different shades of the SPF foundation. Okay, let me tell you where I get excited. These brushes, their brushes are super bomb. This is a dual-ended brush, but their brushes are just so fluffy. I believe this one is the perfecting one, but let me make sure. Complexion Perfection. It is dual-ended, so you can use it in the small areas. And then this says Airbrush Spatula. Oh, how cute! Okay, so this one will be great for like contour, things like that, but this is their spatula brush. If you don't know, you better know. Cosmetics brushes are so nice. But this is their little flat brush. Use it with foundation, liquid, or cream. Use it for quick, easy foundation application for a natural skin-like complexion. Best for sheer and medium coverage. Nice. Okay, I'm going to definitely give this a try. Thank you very much, It Cosmetics. I'm super excited about everything in here. It's another Pixi Beauty. Cherish your color with Tint Fix. So these are the lip tints that they sent me. Super cute. I can't wait to try these as well. Ooh, Yves Saint Laurent. These new must-have Lip Love Shine Plumping Lip Oil Gloss. This is what the packaging looks like. And just to show you, these are the lip oils. Again, if you want to see anything specifically like tried on or for me to just test it out, leave it in the comments below. Thank you, YSL, for these. I can't wait to try them. Okay, so this is also YSL. This is their perfume. I believe I have this one. But this is also another YSL packaging. This is their Black Opium perfume. No. And then this is another one of their lip oils. So, and then I have one more. This is the last package of Decay. They also have really great packaging. PR packaging. It's really nice. This is a big pretty box. Oh. Ooh. So all of these are like luminizers and bronzers, and it comes with a travel size Urban Decay setting spray. You know, I can never have enough of this. But these shades are so pretty. Yeah, we definitely have to do some playing around to makeup. Thanks again for tuning in. If you want to see more unboxings, let me know. As they come in, I'll make sure to get on it and make sure that the video isn't super long. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if there's anything that I've shown in this video that you would like to see me either try or do a wear test or anything else, like swatches or anything, let us know. We definitely have to try those perfumes and let you know what I think. I do love that first perfume that I told you I think I have another one of that I might do a giveaway with. Really love it, wear it all the time. So stay tuned. Alright, I love you all. Thank you again for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.